90-day fiancé couple Yve Erlano and Mohamed Abdelhamid had a shocking storyline on Season 9 that saw an even more shocking end once the season was over. Yve, a 48-year-old mom to a disabled son from Albuquerque, was in a long-distance relationship with Mohamed, 25, from Egypt. Fitness enthusiast Mohamed had come across Yve's bikini photo on Instagram and liked it. The reality TV show stars started talking on DMs, and Yve and Mohamed's 23-year age gap didn't stop her from flying to Egypt to meet him. Mohamed proposed to Yve at the end of her trip. He even lost his virginity to her. Everything was going well in the relationship until Mohamed came to the U.S. Mohamed wanted a wife who would love him just like his mother and cook and clean for him. He argued when he thought Yve was wearing outfits that were too revealing. He couldn't stand Yve being in the same room with another man due to his religious beliefs. Mohamed also demanded that Yve convert to Islam. He thought it was needed for their relationship to work out, as their doomed relationship headed towards a happy ending to show Yve and Mohamed getting married regardless. Screenshots of messages exchanged by Mohamed with his lover were posted on Instagram. Mohamed and Yve were very much together during the 90-Day Fiancé Season 9 tell-all. They spoke about the ups and downs in the relationship, despite which they'd managed to keep their marriage intact. Yve spoke about Mohamed going easy on her about the rules he had for her, including what she wore in public. This revelation made fans wonder about what happened to the alleged leaked texts between Mohamed and his lover that were circulating on Instagram. However, viewers were treated to a shocking plot twist at the end of tell-all. Yve had discovered the messages Mohamed and his mystery girlfriend had sent each other. One of the messages read, "I will go to the attorney right after I get the green card," and in another, Mohamed said, "I would just keep you in bed for days," while the woman called him the cutest ever. Yve had seen inappropriate things on Mohamed's phone. There were pictures and calls. She then put the pieces together. Mohamed confessed he'd met a nice girl online. He thought they were friends, but things started to get bigger. Mohamed claimed he texted multiple women and knew he had done wrong. "I do love Yve, and she doesn't deserve that," he admitted. On August 15, 2022, Mohamed filed a police report. He claimed that Yve had allegedly attacked him while she was trying to get access to his phone. In Touch reported the alleged incident took place a few hours before Mohamed filed the report. The Albuquerque Police Department showed up at Yve's house, where Mohamed told them he had moved out of Yve's house 2 days prior. He claimed he had endured emotional and physical abuse from Yve. He claimed she allegedly got drunk and hit him. Yve, 48, had reportedly been charged with 1 count of battery against a household member and 1 count of assault. Mohamed admitted he was in a relationship with a fan named Andrea, who sent him gifts and money. This lasted for about 1.5 months. Mohamed also accused Yve of having an affair with a man named Mike. Yve's manager claimed the allegations were a ploy for Mohamed to stay in America. They said Mohamed and his girlfriend had discussed a U visa for Mohamed, and if he could qualify for one in case Yve ever caught him cheating. Yve filed for divorce from Mohamed on September 22, 2022, in Touch. Yve hoped to close the chapter after the divorce and move on with her life. 90-Day Fiancé star Yve had plans to handle Mohamed's infidelity. She wanted to teach him a lesson. The U visa is granted to those who have endured physical or mental abuse, so they can be allowed to stay in the U.S. and help law enforcement with the investigation and prosecution of the crime. Yve denied the abuse allegations. She maintained that Mohamed had committed immigration fraud. Yve hired an immigration attorney. They were to file alleged immigration fraud charges against her estranged husband. All About the Tea reported that Yve's attorney claimed Mohamed faked his way into the United States, while referring to him as the Amber Herd of immigrants. 90 Day Fiancé viewers grew curious about Mohamed's current residency status. When Mohamed posted an Instagram reel containing pictures from Egypt on September 14, 2022, it fueled his deportation rumors. He was asked whether he was deported, while his well-wishers wanted to know if he was back safe in his homeland. Mohamed turned off the comments on his post, but in January 2023, he shared a video showing off his new haircut. Mohamed tagged the Shaves and Fades barbershop in his caption. This confirmed that Mohamed was still living in Albuquerque, as revealed by the salon's location. Yve showed her life as a hardworking single mom during her introduction on episode 2 of 90 Day Fiancé Season 9.